This is Julius Washington from the Washington Group, and we're here in a featured community this week. It's called Ashley Oaks Subdivision here in Blythewood, South Carolina. This is one of your highly desired communities, highly desired neighborhoods, highly desired school districts, because it's all about location, location, location. And I'm going into one of these floor plans. It's called the Congaree floor plan, which is a 5-bedroom, 3.5 bath home, and this is one of the last floor plans, models, homes available in this neighborhood. They're actually winding down now, so you'll get a chance to take a look at one of the final homes that they have available. It's available right now, and I'm going to do a walkthrough of this home, and you'll see all the unique features that this home has that's available for you. Again, there's only a couple of these left, and once they're gone, you know, that's going to be it for this phase and this option. So now we're going to take a look. Like I said, we're in the foyer area. You can see very high ceilings with the chandelier there up top, with the wooding floors that treads that take you upstairs. Here's your formal dining room with the chandelier here. A nice dense crown molding galore throughout. And as you go through this little walkway here, you got the quartz granite countertops with a backsplash. This is what you call a butler pantry with a lot of storage space. You can see this is a great property here, especially for you executive types, those that are looking for a little bit of luxury ends and features. Okay, and look at the size of this pantry. This is one of the largest pantries I've seen in a kitchen, you know, but that's what you have here. Quartz countertops again, oversized island, large deep sink. You got, this is a gourmet style kitchen. So you got storage shelves galore, stainless steel appliances with the oven, convection oven / microwave, lots of storage. Here you got the vent, and then here's your 5-burner gas cooktop. I'm showing you all this here. You see the backsplash as well, and then we're going to take a look inside here, which is this is the entrance coming in from the garage. Got your closet right here. Okay, here's a mud room for you. So take your coats, hang it up, put your dirty boots, and you know, so they don't dirty up the rest of the house. And then you've got this large, spacious laundry room with your hookups for your washer, dryer, and whatnot, and then shelving on top. Transition from the laundry room back over to the other side. All this is still on the first floor. You got the living space over here with a fireplace. It's a gas-operated fireplace, so this will be more of your, like a family room kind of setup. But look at the coffered ceilings. A nice little feeling effect for you with the ceiling fan. Okay, and we're gonna go straight to this room. This house here has a master on the main, or a large owner suite. And we'll take a look at it. Look how large that master bedroom is. Okay, you can put a lot of things here in this room here. Trust me, this camera, this video doesn't do it justice. Transition over to the bathroom area. Tile galore. All right, so you have that. Here's your linen closet. You got a separate water closet here for your toilet area. You've got a separate soaking tub and a large, spacious tiled shower. And look how long that countertop is. Okay, and that's all quartz, and all the storage shelving that's along with it. And then we'll transition from here. We told you about the shower, right? We'll move over here to this large, spacious walk-in closet. Look at that. Look at that. All of that. You can put curtains there to cover that up for your privacy. But look how large this is, and look how long the shelving is. And then you got shelving over here on the other side as well. This is a very spacious owner suite, and it's all on the first floor. Okay, so if you're looking for that, you know, living You can have your family that you can be here on a master owner suite on the first, and then your children or kids or whatever, other family members can be up on the top floor. We're going to transition up to the second floor. But we've done that with the owner suite. Now we're going to take a look and go upstairs to take a look at the rest of the house, which you have 4 bedrooms upstairs. These are your wooden floors, hard wooden floors with the wooden risers. Nice little touch, nice little feature. Okay, wrought iron steel. Wrought iron that's on the railing itself. Carpet upstairs. Swing to your left, we'll start to the left and work our way to the right. This is the first bathroom. We have 2 bathrooms up here, right? So you got the bathroom, toilet, and a shower tub combo, right? Linen closet. Here's bedroom number 2. And I'll walk in here real quick so you can see that each one of them has their own walk-in closet. There you go. All right, nice little touch, nice little feature for you. We'll leave from here. Go on to the next room. Here's another bedroom number 3. All right, a little longer, spacious. Another walk-in closet for you, okay? Supporting here, not as big as the other one, but you know, you have to flip the coin for that, right? And this is your flex room. So you can make this whatever you want it to be. It could be a movie room, a playroom, whatever. It's a flex room. Large and spacious too, as you can see. All right, there you go. So we're going ahead and take a look at bedroom number 4. Say number 4. All right, spacious room. Here's your other walk-in closet, similar to the other bedroom we just left, right? So all carpeted. This is bathroom, full bathroom number 3. This has a dual vanity, right? Same countertops as far as the quartz, and then the same bath shower combo with the toilet, okay? Tiled floors. That's what you have in the wet spaces, okay? This is bedroom number 5. Okay? And this has a deeper, bigger walk-in closet, similar to bedroom number 2 that we walked in, okay? All right. Hey, I hope you enjoyed this tour of this home. This is an executive luxury style home at a pretty good price, given the product that they're providing you. And what I'll say to you is this house here is in a highly desired neighborhood, a highly desired school district, all those kind of things that make this worthwhile taking a look at. The home is in the community has a clubhouse, and it also has a pool for the neighborhood. So, call of action to you today. If you are looking for this style type of home, a little higher level, higher trend, all brick, 5 bedrooms, about 3.5 baths, I would love to show you this home and work with you and show you the nuances of navigating throughout this community, providing you a A++, 10++ service. One that you will truly appreciate for a lifetime. So give me a call, give me a text, give me an email, whatever is your mode of choice. Have no problems with that because I answer to all of them, and I look forward to helping you in any way I can. This is Julius Washington from the Washington Group here in the Congaree Floor Plan in Ashley Oaks, and I am signing out. Have a good day.